12 minus 4 gives us 8. And again, here we have 12 minus 4, which again gives us 8. And 8 times 8 is equal to 64. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, right? So parenthesis is priority number 1, and the second thing to solve is exponent, and the exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, and it is priority number 3. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. It is priority number 4. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? Because subtraction is the last priority, and we have to solve last. We have to solve subtraction after we did all the other operation. So that is the logic. So let's go back and solve our problem. Here we have 12 minus 4 parenthesis 12 minus 4, and we have to do the problem inside the parenthesis first, so that is the first thing to do. And 12 minus 4 of course gives us 8, and the problem becomes 12 minus 4 times 8. And here we have one multiplication and one subtraction. Which one to do first? Of course, the multiplication, right? So 4 times 8 gives us 32, and 12 minus 32 is equal to negative 20. So the final answer to this question is negative 20.